We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx, and today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with a Brother MFC L8900. So first thing first, pull out my tray here. You see these little green tabs right here is going to be your max level indicator. You never want to fill above that because it'll make it too tight for the rollers to pick up the paper and result causing a jam. Then also your guides right here, you want to make sure they're in the correct place for the correct size of paper. You don't want it too loose or too tight because then the rollers will either not be able to pick up the paper or will pick up too many at a time. And then when you are adding new paper, you never just want to go and put the paper in like that. What you want to do is you want to take your new paper and your old paper and you want to combine it together, line it up, and then what you'll want to do is go ahead and fan it out. Sometimes the condensation in the air can cause the papers to stick together, which would cause the rollers to pick up more than one piece, causing a jam. So once you fan it, go ahead and align it again and then put it all in there. Just for an example, if you were to put the paper in there on top of it and it wasn't aligned correctly, then the bottom paper will curl in the back, causing a jam. So that's why you would like to do that. Alrighty, well, if there's anything that you guys need, you can give us a shout. If you're in need of supplies or quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.